Hey everybody. So like I'm 12 years old, I'm going to do Excited Christmas model stash ad. So this is all the stuff that I was actually got for Christmas, and figured I'd just share it before I ended up adding it all to my supplies. So let's go on over and see what we got. Some of the stuff you guys might like, and decide on getting some for yourself. One thing I was watching, a guy on YouTube, he was doing Gundams mostly, and he was showing all his tools that he had, and he ended up picking up one of these Fiskar X-Acto blades. They do work with normal X-Acto blades, but it is that wedge shape, so it fits in your hand. There's this cool locking mechanism. It does use just the standard blades, so all the ones that you already have and all that work. One thing is to lock it, you just do that, but it does fit nicely in your hand, and when you're in between using it, it won't roll off the table and stab you in the foot. So I did get that, and it came with that blade already installed. Got a nice cover, and then it came with two, and this one's kind of, since Fiskar is mostly like for sewing and crafts like that, this is a buttonhole cutter, and then this is some kind of fabric cutter. So it does come with two blades that are kind of geared for sewing and stuff like that. I did want to give it a try. I did end up getting this other X-Acto knife earlier this year, and it does have an anti-roll, which is nice. It does have a cover, but it ain't as nice as the cover. It does come off pretty easy, but and it does have blades in the end of it, which is alright, but the change of blade is just with that. But it does have a nice cushiony grip and stuff, and I did see that on his as well, but I got this from Hobby Lobby earlier this year, and then this was a Christmas gift. So there's two new stash ads there. I did get some brush cleaner, trying to rejuvenate some of my brushes. You use them so much, it does get pretty bad, but you can wash your brushes with that. I have used Purple Power to do it before, but this is probably mostly for acrylics and stuff, so that way I can try to clean some of my brushes and get them better. Speaking of brushes, I did get me a whole new pack. Some really nice different sizes on it. I do use these quite a bit, these smaller ones, a triple lot, a double lot, and a single lot. And it goes all the way up to what we got here, a 7. So be nice to get rid of some of the old ones. They're getting pretty rough. There's some new ones of those. In this kit, I was having a hard time finding my eyedroppers, so I ended up getting me a nice glass set eyedroppers. That one's kind of shifted a little bit, but don't really matter. But they got the tilt, so that way you can do everything. It came with a couple other things in the kit. I think it had earrings or something in there. Something that didn't belong. A nice little kit, nice little box. I got some slime and grime. And if you can see from that picture, it's for like concrete. It's supposed to look like algae and stuff. You never know when you want to do that on there, but it's AK products, so it's going to be pretty good. I don't know if anybody has used God Hand products, but I've had the thicker pack for I don't know how long, but they go from 10,000 grit down to 2,000. And that's how I do all my buffing. I buff them all with that. Well, I wanted a thinner one, so I put that on my list, and there we got a thinner one. It's 2 millimeters thick. This is the 5 mil. But I really like those. They work great. This is it's a 50 pack, but to show you, it is a sanding stick. It's just a wedge shape. I just tried it on one of the kits I'm working on. It worked really good. Got me some braided hose from Tamiya. I got me some more LEDs because I did that one kit. Did that one car. I did the Halloween group build, but it comes with 2 batteries and a bunch of different colors. But if you can see there, them little yellow dots there, that's how small they are. They're pre-wired. I don't like wiring them. I've done it before, and it's just a pain in my book. I'd rather just do the pre-wire. Comes with resistors and everything, whatever you're going to need. Got me some nail buffers. I like to use these quick pinches and cleaning things. It's 2-sided. One's a buffing side and one's a little bit of a rough side. And I end up getting a 63 Corvette Stingray. It's a split window. Comes with 2 engines and blower, 2 sets of rims. Got slicks in it. Real nice Corvette kit. Problem is deciding which way to build it. There's one of the engines. They had the pipes sort of come out the side, and then you got the stock engine. Got a lot of options, so that's always the hard part. Here's what way to decide to build it. And that is it for what I got. I got a bunch of other stuff, but one thing is I'll show this. I know Stephen on Small Adventures would like. I end up getting one of these, and I cannot believe how sharp these knives are. I mean, I don't know if my camera can catch it, but if you see on the tip of that, if it's in detail, I actually shaved my fingerprint off. Them ain't that expensive a knife, but they are a really nice knife. Comes with a hard sheath, made in Sweden, and when you put it in, it locks in. I think that's why they went with the hard sheath. And this locks on your pants pretty good, on your belt, so you don't have to worry about losing it. I went with the orange. They have a ton of different colors. I went with the carbon steel as well when I put it on my list. But that would be good for, cleaning fish or anything like that. Any kind of meal prep if you're out camping. And then you got the nice Damascus folding knife. And I already had sharpening edge on it, but it's really pretty. A nice lock to it. Nice feel. Comes with a nice sheath. So I figured Steven would like that out there. And then one more non-model related. This is a pretty cool old timer. It's a carving knife. So you got your straight edge, and then you got a bunch of, you got a half round or quarter round. Got a nice spoon blade. And then a real small circular blade. And then a corner 90 blade. And there was one more in here. And then just a smaller straight. So there's that. Hope you guys all have a great New Year's. And I'll try to get some more videos out. I had a 3-week gap, and I'll have to try not to do that again. So until next time, I hope you have a good one, and goodbye.